What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Krystal Palace and welcome to Dollywood DreamMore Resort. Today, I'm going to be taking you on a tour and a room tour. We're staying here for the weekend and I can't wait to show you everything they have to offer. Let's go do this. Let's head inside DreamMore Resort and I'll show you around, and I'll also tell you about all of the perks here because there are so many. So right before you head in, just look at these nice rocking chairs. A great place to hang out, chill, wait for your Uber, anything like that. Let's head inside the lobby. Welcome to DreamMore. So right when you walk in, you're greeted with these huge windows. They're so beautiful. Then to the left over here is the check-in desks, and it has a really cool animated of the Smoky Mountains. Right this way, they do have a cooler with some drinks and snacks and things like a Tide to Go pen, all of your toiletries in case you forget anything. They have them right here by the check-in desk. And over here, they have a map of Dollywood showing you kind of everything you need to know about the park over here, and a map of DreamMore Resort. This is your resort map and your go-to guide. They have a key box. Then on this side of the lobby is a little waiting area, and you can see 10 because they're celebrating 10 years of this great Dollywood hotel. This sign right here is showing you everything you need to know about Camp DW. So it's summertime right now here at Dollywood. I'm sure they have similar for the fall and the winter. They have tons of activities for kids to enjoy. You can see during the day they have takeaway crafts. It's like $10, $20. They have different crafts that you can do throughout the day and make with your kids. 4 to 6 p.m. they have pink lemonade in the lobby, and 7 to 8 every single night they have s'mores, one per person, complimentary, in the fire pit right out by the pool. We did this last night. It was so much fun and such a nice little perk of staying here. 8 p.m. is story time in the barn. They read you a book. Usually it's from the Dollywood Library. We'll go to the left first. So the lobby is on the second floor. You come in the second floor. They have a screen here showing some more information and some more seating right out this way. And they also have a nice balcony that overlooks the pool. They have like checkers you can play. It's just a really cute, and it's a really great family resort. Let's show you right out here. They just have some more of those nice rocking chairs you can enjoy. Tons of seating in the lobby area you can see here. And a nice TV and fireplace. Over here they have the authentic Dolly Parton instrument adorned in Swarovski crystals. And same thing over here. Here is her guitar and Swarovski crystals. There's a telephone room, just a little mirror. And then over here is a self-service kiosk. So if you have like a confirmation number or you need to pick up your tickets, you could do that here. Then right this way, you have concierge and ticket center, as well as conference center and restrooms. So here are the lobby restrooms. Then right over here is the ticket center. You can buy your Dollywood tickets. You can buy a time saver. You can also buy tickets for the Stampede or other things around Pigeon Forge. They can help you out with all of that. So here are the Dollywood tickets. This is what you would get. You come here, buy them. They have maps, all the information you need. I did this yesterday morning. Super easy and very helpful. They also have maps of things around Pigeon Forge that you can do and enjoy right here. Then this way, if you're coming here for a conference, they do have conference rooms all in here. So this side of the hotel, all conference rooms. The other side is going to be the rooms. All right, let's cross over the lobby again and I'll show you the other side of floor 2. Okay, so right this way, you have the DreamMore pantry. You can get all of your quick service options in here. They do serve Starbucks beverages too. They have espresso, coffee, tea, hot breakfast, kids meals, customizable options. For lunch, they have pizza, ice cream, and sundaes. I did end up getting the berry sundae from here. Just insert footage here. It was the cutest thing and it was delicious. We're hanging at the pool here at DreamMore. I just enjoyed my berry sundae, and delicious. Butter pecan ice cream, strawberry, this cone, like bubble waffle cone, bear shaped, so good. And of course, they do sell the famous Dollywood grist mill cinnamon bread for $13 in here. If you want to get it at the hotel, you can get it here. So just to show you, they have some drinks and they do have some grab and go options. They have yogurt and yogurt parfaits, Uncrustables, subs, fruit and cheese, sandwiches, and salads. Now you can see some of the pastries they have here. They have brownies. There is that famous cinnamon bread, Rice Krispies, they have banana bread, muffins. Oh, there's that cinnamon bread. Look at that. Just delivered fresh. They also have some croissants, donut holes. Look at these amazing cookies they have. They are so beautiful. You can get them here at DM Pantry. Right back this way, they do have some snacks too. Morning. They do have some snacks too, like candies and some cereal as well. Just anything you could desire, like cutest cookies ever. Look at this Tennessee cookie, all that good stuff. Here's where you can get the ice cream and that really cute bear sundae. All your condiments, anything you need, right over here. So that is the DM Pantry. And then similar to the other side, they do have a bunch of tables on this side. So if you want to grab something to eat, you can eat it over here. This is promoting the restaurant Song and Hearth, which is located downstairs. Then over here, you do have the little gift shop. Really, really cute stuff in here. Some Dollywood stuff, some DreamMore stuff. And I like this. Dolly has her own lipstick and lip gloss collection you can get. On the second floor, they do have a guest laundry. I just wanted to show you the hallways. I love the carpet so much, but also on every single floor, it's really nice that they have a microwave, paper towels, and ice machine. At the end of the second floor hallway, they do have guest laundry. They have 2 washers and 2 dryers. It accepts change. Wash is $3 and dry is $2. They do have detergent too if you need. Okay. Across from the gift shop, they do have an elevator bank. Elevators are really quick, convenient here, and this takes you up to the guest rooms. But we're not going up just yet because I want to show you what's downstairs. Okay, so back in the middle of the lobby, if we head downstairs, these grand stairs this way, I'll show you what's downstairs to enjoy. This is probably the coolest thing here. So this is a plank of wood from Dolly's first stage, the front porch of the Tennessee mountain home where Dolly's first dreamed of being a star. Then this is the Chestnut Dream Box. This box will not be opened until Dolly's 100th birthday on January 19th, 2046. The Dream Box itself is a tribute to her original mentor and Uncle Bill Owens, who has worked tirelessly to preserve the American chestnut tree. As a final tribute, Dolly has placed a song which she has written to be released as her last, entitled My Place in History. Only Dolly knows its melody and content until 2046. So 2046, y'all, that's when we'll hear that song. And I'm just commemorating me with it, so in 2046 I can cry that like I was this young once. Anyway, they have some seating down here too, because here is the restaurant. This is a sit-down restaurant at DreamMore, Song and Hearth, a southern eatery. So they actually have breakfast here as well as dinner. They have a breakfast buffet. Adults are $23.95. They have indoor and outdoor seating. Then if we go to the right, this way are the elevators, the spa, the indoor pool, the game room, Camp DW, and the fitness center. So I really like this hallway here. You can see all of her records. There's an ATM and they have a spa. So these are the elevator banks again. If you want to come down to the spa, the restaurant, or the pool, you go down to floor 1. The lobby is floor 2. You can get your nails done here. You can get your hair done. It's a great little option if you want a day of relaxation. This is a really awesome thing right here. You can see the grist mill, and then when you walk to the other side, it switches to Dollywood. Through these doors makes it really convenient. The game room, the indoor pool, and the fitness center are all in this area. They do have restrooms here too. So straight ahead is the nice indoor pool. If it's cold out and bad weather, you can enjoy the indoor pool. Currently, it's under refurbishment. This is the Camp DW office. They tell you all of the activities they're having for the day, and the fitness center. Here's a look at the fitness center. They have free weights, bench, elliptical, a little seated bike, 3 treadmills, water fountain, scale, and towels. Nice fitness center. They have a TV up here too. Let's take a look at the game room. Claw games, basketball, air hockey, photo booth, racing, tons of fun in here. All right, and then we could go out this way and I'll show you what the pool is like. They have a little Connect 4 down here, and I'm gonna go around the pool. Is it raining? Oh my God, it's raining. Okay, well, good thing I already videoed around the pool because I don't have an umbrella. Around the pool area, they do have a really nice playground for kids, padded floor right near the pool, but the pool is fenced in. The pool is absolutely beautiful. We spent a lot of time here, so I'll put some of that footage in. This is the tropical mule drink here at DreamMore. Hanging out by the pool, you can order drinks. It's so nice. I love this pool. It's very relaxing. It's very good. Here's a look at the poolside dining menu. They have shareables, salads, handhelds, Dippin' Dots, and some cocktails. They have a little booth here with all of the menus, and you can also get some water. How the poolside dining works too out here, you just go up to this booth and place your order, anything you want, and they'll bring it out because you can see behind me, you have numbers on the chairs. Joey's poolside meal came in this really cool box.
Where's your box?
I don't have a box. I just have a plate of salad, which looks delicious. I got the strawberry field salad poolside at DreamMore. Oh, Joey got burger.
Smash burger.
Smash burger. Looks yummy. They have a 16 plus hot tub. Look at this hot tub. Ooh, that's fun. I like how it's like private behind the pool too. They have a kid's splash pad, fire pits over there. And here's where the pool walks in. Such a nice pool. Then behind the pool, you have the area where they do the story times. You have the bonfire where they do the s'mores. And then there's just so many great benches, areas to sit, hang out, and enjoy nature. They also have cornhole. Even though it's raining, it's still a beautiful morning here. So I'm gonna tell you some of the perks of staying at DreamMore Resort. Also, these perks do apply to Heart Song Lodge, which is the new Dollywood hotel that opened last year right next door. So here are the perks. First, you get free trolley service. Now, this is complimentary to resort guests. You do have to show this little red card you get when you check in to the hotel. And this also gives you your time saver, which I'll talk about in a little bit. But you just show that, you hop on the trolley picks you up right at the lobby entrance. You hop on the trolley and it's a 10-minute drive to the park. Super convenient, super easy. There's also one that will take you to Splash Country if you choose to do the water park as well. A really great perk about staying at a Dollywood resort is that you do get complimentary time saver wristbands if you stay at DreamMore or Heart Song. This is what they look like. And with these time saver passes, you have golden hour. The first hour of the park, they won't scan your band. You could use the fast lane for the rides because after the first hour, you get 5 rides to use your time saver with. I'll put up a chart. There's 3 different time saver passes that you can get. So this is the most basic one that comes with the resort, but it's still really nice to be able to pretty much skip the line that first hour especially, and then throughout the rest of the day. So make sure you save them for when the wait times are really long. There's no resort fees. There's daily turnover service here. There's room service. There's poolside food service. There's free self-parking, free Wi-Fi, which the Wi-Fi has been really good. You also get free preferred parking at Dollywood if you choose to drive and not take the trolley, which is helpful because the preferred parking lot in Dollywood is really great and really close to the entrance. And you get free package delivery to the hotel on orders $25 or more. So if you buy something in the park, $25 or more, they could deliver it right to the hotel. So many great perks here at DreamMore. This hotel is beautiful. It was named one of the best theme park hotels in the country, and I could totally see why. Now we're back at the elevators. Let's go upstairs and I'll give you a room tour. Care more. And they all have Dolly quotes in the elevators. There's some Dolly pictures up here. It's time to give you guys a tour of our room here at DreamMore Resort. First, I have to point out, look at the do not disturb sign, Dreaming More. It's so cute. They have hooks here. You can hang anything you need right when you walk in. Over this way is the bathroom. I love the vanity. Look how pretty the wallpaper and the mirror is. I want this in my house. I like how they have more hooks over here too. Vanity has body lotion, facial soap, hair dryer, anything you might need over here. To the left is a shower bath combo, and they have conditioner, shampoo, and body wash. Here is a look at the shower. If you watch my other resort videos, you know I love when the bathroom toilet is separate from the vanity. So that's it here. And they have monogram toilet paper. Hello, that's amazing. And some pretty butterflies. A full-length mirror over here. We love that. You can get an conjoining room. That's what this door is. And then I really like this area. This way has a closet, but it's an open closet. So it's nice to be able to put, we have all of our stuff on here, and drawers, an ironing board, and an iron. This is the 2-queen bed room. So you have the 2 queen beds here. They're nice. They have put wings on your dreams, and then a dream lamp in the middle. So the nightstand is huge. I like how it has this alarm clock with all the plugs, because other than that, they don't really have a lot of outlets. So it's nice that they put that here. You have everything you need. In this drawer, you have the Bible. Here's our window with a view of the Smoky Mountains. Oh, you could see Dollywood Splash Country too a little bit over there. Awesome. Then right this way, you have a desk, coffee maker, coffee, and this is probably the best part. You can get breakfast. All you do is hang this outside of your door before midnight and place your order, and they'll deliver breakfast in the morning. But the best part, you can get the grist mill cinnamon bread delivered to your room in the morning. And I love this. They give you a postcard, 2 postcards actually. So nice. Pen, pad, I will be taking that. I love the nice pen. I love this lamp too, the DM. They have a phone, luggage rack is right here, and some more USB plugs, as well as HDMI, good to know. Then here you have your TV. This card tells you if you need anything to contact the concierge. An ice bucket, some cups. Here is a mini fridge and just another drawer. And then on this side, you have a safe and some more drawers. When you check in, they give you your room key in this packet right here. And this is just all of the activities and everything you need to know about the hotel. It has the theme park hours, the water park hours, live entertainment for the duration of your stay. They said tonight they're going to have s'mores. At 4 p.m., they're going to have pink lemonade in the lobby, arts and crafts, all the amenities, dining, pool, play, fitness center, shopping, all the hours. I love this. This is super helpful, handy dandy guide. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly love staying here at DreamMore Resort. It is so nice being able to go to Dollywood, hop on the trolley. It's quick, it's convenient, and that time saver pass is such a huge benefit. Now, if you happen to be going to Dollywood between now and December 31st, you can receive 22% off each night when you book Dollywood DreamMore Resort or Heart Song Lodge by using the promo code Krystal. I will link the link to get this deal in the description. Make sure to enter that promo code Krystal to get 22% off.